Hi, this is Cindy from Part-Time Permies, and today we're going to try to plant some seeds and grow some plants for a 3-year-old.
Why put that right there?
So those that have the labels in it, so we can mark and put a label in each plant so we know what's supposed to grow. That way we can see which ones grow. There might be some that don't, but that's okay. If you get some that grow, we're good. Now, taking one more turned into a lot more. That one, it looks like it has a crack in it, so we'll skip this one. It's a broken one. So, but you have a lot more. So how many do you have now?
A lot.
A lot. You're gonna plant a lot of plants apparently.
This.
That's a tool for the other kind of planting, but that one makes some blocks, that makes soil blocks that make it very hard to travel with. These are easier to take home, so we're gonna use these for you because you want to take yours home, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could take a lot of home.
You can take a lot home if you want to.
Yeah.
Okay. So the first thing we need to do,
Yeah.
do you know what the first thing is? We need to take some of the soil and put it into the pots.
I want to do
You want to do that? You might have to stand up and do that.
Okay.
Okay, and I'll help you with it. Reach in there, grab some soil, and put it in the pot until it's about that full. You see? Like up to the line. We'll go up to the line in each pot. What you're going to do is take your little finger and stick it in just a little bit, just to make a little dent. Just a little, like that. Do you see how there's a little dent in there? And go on each one, just a little bit. Just make a little bit of a dent in each one.
I did it.
You did it. Good job. Okay, this little dent that I'm doing here is where the seeds are going to go. So you wanted to plant some of those rainbow plants, right?
Yeah.
Let's plant some rainbow plants. Let me find them. This one, I think this is it. Okay, it's called chard. It has different color stems, like red and yellow stems, and the plant is green. So what you're gonna do, how many plants do we want with the rainbow kind? Right. How many do you think we want? How many of these?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 of them? Well, you could put, I'll tell you what, you could put 2, take one at a time. Take one at a time, okay? You take one, and you put it in one of the little dents. Get it in there. There you go. And you take one more and put it in the same one. Just one more. Same one. Good job. We're going to do one more in that one, in this one, and put one more in there. So I had 2 seeds in each. Good job. Now we need a label.
Label?
We need a label. Uh-oh. Oh, that's okay. We got an extra. We could spread them out. We could spread them out so they're a little bit spread out in the same container. That way you go like that. That's okay. Okay. Get the rest. I know. Planting gets dirty, doesn't it? We'll just have to wash. Let me put these back. So we got how many pots with chard?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, that's right. No, these 3 are going to be the same thing, and then we'll do a different one in another pot. So let me put the label on here so we don't forget.
I want it.
Okay, I'm going to write what it's on there, and then I'll have you stick the label in the pot.
I want to do it.
Okay.
I don't write it.
You can draw. See, I wrote on this side. You want to draw on this side? Let me grab a different marker. Okay, the side that I did not draw on, that's for you. You got it? Perfect. So let me put the cap back on. Hold on.
I know.
We'll do another one. Now, which side is up? Okay, this side,
Yeah.
the one you're holding, it goes down into the soil. Just a little bit. and right at the edge. That's perfect. You want to be able to see what I wrote on there. See that? Okay. On that side. Okay, you got that one. Let me hold the marker while you put it into the soil. So you're going to put it in this one? Or in, whoop, upside down. Other way. Other end. There you go. Put it into this. Perfect. Right there. Okay. Let's do one more. I got it labeled. You're going to draw on the other side. Okay, let me take the marker then. Oh, you don't want me to hold it. Okay, perfect. Now I take the marker and you're going to put it, in this one, the one we put the seeds in. Oh, it's upside down. We got to turn it around.
I got it.
You got it? Perfect. Now what we need to do is make sure the seeds are covered a little bit. Can you go like that and cover the seed up? Just a little bit. Make sure it's under the soil. Is it under the soil in there? I think it is. I think it's good. Now, last step. And then we can set these 3 aside and do another one. This one's going to, you can help me. Put your hand on it. We're just going to put a little bit of water in there. Just a little bit and a little bit. Oh, in there. And in there. Okay, is it nice and wet? And you know what? You could probably, that I think is probably good. There, perfect, perfect, perfect.
It's just a water bat on my pants.
That's okay. If you need to back up because the water's going to go that way, you can back up just a little bit. Okay, so next we're going to put these to the side because these are all done and we don't want to knock them over. So let's get them out of the way over here.
Here.
Thank you. Okay. You want snow peas or snap peas?
Snap peas.
Snap peas, okay. You got them. So, these are bigger seeds.
Yeah.
Look, they're peas.
No.
You want to do 2 at a time. Okay. Now we're going to put them in here.
Oh.
Oh, did you lose one? Oh, it's right there. That's one way to do it. Okay. You want to do 2 more? Uh-oh. Oops. You want to put in another? That's one way to do it. 2 more. I'm gonna put in another. Good job. You want one more pot with 2 more peas. Okay. So you're gonna cover them over with a little bit of dirt. You just make sure they're covered up just a little bit. Just put the dirt on top. This one. Help me with the water. You got your hand on there? Oop. Okay, I think we have probably enough water, but are all those peas covered up? Okay, we got all your plants planted. Yay! Say, we planted lots of seeds, and now Charlie's going to take them home and put them in a sunny window. And keep them watered every few days so that they grow up into flowers and into lettuce. Ooh, and what else did we plant? Into peas. We planted some peas. And what else did we plant? What was the first thing we planted? Oh yeah, we planted the rainbow plant. Rainbow chard. Called rainbow chard. So you're going to see how they grow. Okay, thanks for watching. I got a cuddly girl here, and we'll see you with the next video.